enjoying our afternoon, evening with Coco walking with my husband. It's beautiful, sunny, bright evening. Ano na siya, na-strangled na siya pa. Super excited kasi si Coco kapag lumalabas. Overwhelming. My husband walking down in our neighborhood. Enjoy kami. Enjoy the weather.
Coco. Ayan sa mic.
Ganda ng araw, no pa? Ganda ng araw. Ito kami ngayon. It's a beautiful day. Malapit na kami sa park. Si Coco. Lakad-lakad din. Enjoying my evening or evening off. Maraming bata sa park. Mga bata nandun. Enjoy sin after school. We're enjoying the park. Oh, I like ice cream pa. Do you have money there? Ay. Gusto ko yung banana boat.
Walang banana po. Banana saging.
Banana saging. Okay. Yes, now. Bye-bye. Let's go, Coco. Let's go, Coco. Let's go back home. Let's go back home. Alam mo, ganyan siya, no? Napakaano niya. Ito si Coco. Pagod ka na, Coco. Pagod ka na. Sarap ng hangin. Mainit, pero masarap ang hangin. Malamig-lamig. Ganda ng araw. We're enjoying our day with my hubby and Coco. Hello, Peter.
Aloha.
Hello. Hello, Peter. My Papa Lu. My Papa Lu. Ang ganda ng araw.
Let's go, Coco. Let's go.
Nasa labas sa mga tao. Ayan, ganda ng puno. Bakit siya dumadaan? Bakit siya dumadaan dyan? What is she doing? Oh, I almost tripped. May hams pala doon. Delikado yun. Oh, tapos na si Coco. We have to go back home now. Too much. Too much. Heading home na. Pauwi na kami. Thank God. Nakapaglakad-lakad din sa wakas. It's evening na ngayon. Alas 7 na pero you can see the araw. Still maaraw pa. Meron pang sunlight. Napakaganda.
I don't think so.
Ganda ng araw.
Did you hit his tummy? For real? For real?
Tingnan nyo ang bango. Ito, mabango ito. Napakabango niya. May scent po siya. Beautiful. Bango niya. Parang ilang-ilang ang bango niya. Ayan na sila, Peter and Coco is heading over me. Thank God. Pauwi na kami. Okay, everyone. Ito po ang araw namin ngayon sa Toronto City. Araw po ngayon, magandang weather. We're gonna enjoy the summer, hopefully. Thank God. Nakita ni Coco ang kanyang friend. That's why he's sitting down there waiting for the friend. Yeah. Nagpapahinga na si Peter. Kaya nakita niya yung friend niya, yung best friend niya ni Coco.
Best friend Coco. Who's that Coco?
Who is coming, Coco?
Who's that? Who's
Who is that? Who's coming? Coco. Your friend. Your friend is coming. He can't wait. Oh, she can't wait. I mean, oh my gosh. There you go. There you go. Hello.
Hey, be careful, Coco, okay?
Coco. Oh, watch out, watch out. Watch out.
Come on, you.
Are you okay?
She looks big. He looks big when.
Oh, they tangled each other. Oh.
All right, out, out.
Okay.
Time to go. Yeah, she looks big with when she has all her fur.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. All right,
But now he's kind of
bye-bye.
tiny.
You say bye bye. You're just gonna throw me down.
Take care.
Yeah.
See you later. Bye, Fred. It's time to rest. It's time for rest.
Okay, let's go, Coco.
Time to rest. Yeah, let's go, Coco. Si Coco, oh, pulang-pula na yung ano niya. Look at the dog. Mga dog. Babae yung ano, dog niya. Kaya gusto-gusto ni Coco. Hinahump niya eh.
Nakima, gaditi. Pangang ko.
Okay guys, we are here now. We're home. So, yan na po yung bahay namin. It's time for us to rest. Bye for now. This is the update here in Toronto. We have a sunny and bright evening. God bless everyone and thank you for watching. Bye!